What's up, guys? This is your boy AlphaMedTech, and welcome to another dose of tech. So, if this is your first time watching in this channel, we do a lot of tech reviews, camera accessories, and travel. So, if you're interested in any of those things, make sure to just take a second and click subscribe in the link down below. So in this video, we're going to do something different. We're going to do A7III camera rig, and these are some of the accessories that I got in order to create this kit. It's very budget friendly. So first thing I grab is a cage for the A7III. So first, this is the Ulanzi R063. This is the new version for the A7III, so we're going to go ahead and open it. Alright, so what do you get on this rig? You get little tool, I think that's to put the screw. You have contact information and some stickers as well. Put that in the box, we need that. And the cage that comes in this protecting wrapping. So first, in this cage, what do we get? So we have two cold shoes, one on the side here and one on top here. We also have mounting options all around. We have a already screw mounting system here, and we have a way to mount a strap on the cage. It also comes with this little tool here. Is held in magnetically. It's a little small. I'm sure I will lose this. Put it back in here, and the screw. The reason why I chose this Ulanzi cage for the A7III, although like I'm always have the small rig parts, is because this one comes with a built-in NATO rail system in with the cage, so on the side and on the top. So technically you do not need this NATO rail system on top of the camera, so it's like more clean. Let me take it out of here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. You don't need the little NATO rail adapter in order to mount different NATO system, so not having to have this on top of the camera is a plus for me. So we're going to go ahead and do that first. And also it has two little non-slippery pads here, so your camera doesn't move. And let's mount it. So the first we have to do to mount the camera is take this little screw here out of the cage. Alright, now also you need to take the little triangle thing that you have in the camera here in order to mount it into the cage. So we're going to go ahead and put the camera in the cage and install that little screw back, but do not tighten all the way. So just put a little bit there, and now we're going to go ahead and screw the bottom part, taking this part here. Alright, so after screwing the little screw, sure you put the little key back, otherwise I'm sure this will be lost. And just to check, actually, let's finish tightening the little screw that goes right here. Okay, nice and tight. That's what she said. So just to check to see if this cage blocks any doors, so let's do that. So check out the battery door, doesn't block it. You can press all the buttons, you can access here. It's a little bit harder to press the 1 and 2, a little bit hidden, not harder but a little bit hidden, but I'm used to know where they are, so I can press it. This is easy to also to move. Let's check out the doors. The doors, they're easy to open. Here too, microphone door is also good. So I'm able to open all the doors, which is good. Like this, it has like a little handle on this side, so you can grab here as well if you wish to do so. Okay, let's keep going. So now let's mount the lens. Actually, let's unbox the other one, the other box that is apart. This right here is from Cinema Rig, is the model number HSN2427. Open this bad boy. Comes in a nice protecting bag, and right in here, this is a side handle from Cinema Rig. So it comes with a cold shoe at the top, NATO rail system. Feels nice in the hand. It comes also with a little tool here, but to be honest, it's a little bit hard to grab if you don't have nails, but I was able to grab it. Put this back, there it goes. And this little tool here is to adjust the height, because you can move it from top to bottom. Okay, so let's mount this here. Actually, let's insert the battery, and this battery literally lasts forever, and that's why I'm not having like a, here as you will see, I'm not having a V-mount system, is because it will make the setup very heavy and a lot more expensive. So I'm trying to stay budget friendly, and with two of these Z batteries you can have a full day of shooting. So let's put this back here, close it, and let's mount. Okay, that's better. Sorry if I my desk shaking. So this is how it looks so far. Have the cage, the side handle. Alright, let's install the lens. And for the lens, we have the Tamron, the 28-75, 2.8 all throughout zoom lens. This is the bread and butter lens. Anybody who has a A7III or a full frame camera needs to get this lens. This lens is amazing. It's sharp. Cannot say enough about this lens. And it's super lightweight. So okay, have the lens on. Now what we're going to do is mount the top handle. For top handle, I am using this one from Magic Rig. Is one of the most budget ones, and I'll leave the part number of this one right here on the corner. It comes as well with another magnetic key, which is good. Just put it right in here, and it has a cold shoe at the front, which I will use to mount the monitor. So I can just, on top of the cage, just mount this top handle. And the good thing, I don't have to use those NATO rail adapters. I just mount it into the cage of this one. So okay, I'm gonna line it in the middle where the closed shoe is at. Alright, nice and tight. And okay, I have the top handle right here. If I need to have some low shots, it'll be good. It's not one of the wooden ones, but so it's not like you feel that coldness of the steel, but it's very good quality. Now we're going to mount the monitor, and before that, actually, I would like to mount the quick release plate that I'm using. I am using the Big Design quick release plate. This is a great quick release plate for having with the capture clip or the Big Design tripod. So I use it all the time. So let's put this here down below. Nice and tight. And I don't think I'll be able to use this thing, but I'm using the quick release. This actually, I forgot to mention that this cage comes with the Arca Swiss mounting system where you can put it on your tripod, but I just use the Big Design system. So there goes that. Okay, so now let's mount the monitor. So for the monitor, I'm using this small rig monitor mount. It's a swivel mount. I can move forward and back and rotate 360 degrees. I will leave the part number also of this one right here in the corner. So first, let's mount it into the monitor. The monitor I'm using is the Andy Cine 4K. I made a review about this monitor a while back. It's a great monitor, to like budget friendly. It is not very bright, but it's very lightweight and portable, which I love to use it. I would love to use it on my rig. Just make sure this is nice and tight. And what we're gonna do is we're going to install battery. This monitor takes the NPF battery, or it can take some Canon batteries. So we're gonna install it here, and we're going to drop it in the cold shoe that it has it right here in the front. And we're going to tie that nice and secure on it. Alright, so the monitor mount is secure. So right here we can see the monitors around the top. Has a top handle, a side handle, very comfortable, and it's right here in the middle. So that's good. Now we're going to mount the audio. I have this clamp system from the small rig. Is for a shotgun mic. This is the Rode NTG mic, and it comes with a very nice mounting system, but it's very bulky, so I want it to be a little bit more minimalistic or low-key, so it doesn't take a lot of space on the rig. So I went with this one. I will leave the part of this one right here on the top, and I will mount this right here and this side of the rig. I can also mount it right here on top of the side handle as well, which I might as well just do that. So right here we have the microphone, and we also, since this monitor is not very bright, I have like a sun hood here for the monitor. So lastly, one of the things that I like to put for my setup is a ND filter, a variable ND filter, and I have here the one from Freewell. This is the 225 ND, and let's go ahead and mount it. And my zoom lens is a Tamron 28-75 and a variable ND filter. And one of the good things I could do is with this monitor, the Cine 4K, I can also power the camera as well. So the battery life already is amazing for this camera. I can basically have 4 to 5 hours of recording time with this camera, and with the power supply from the monitor, I can have up to 8 hours. So, and if I turn off the camera, it just still charges. So beautiful setup, very nice and simple, very small, and yeah, hope you guys like it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more videos. This is AlphaMedTech, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.